Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Let's take a look here quickly just after the daily candle close. Let's take a look at the situation. Bitcoin is still in the support area for this wave 2. No change in, from that point of view from the last video. We have seen a reaction to the support, to the 61.8 retracement, but nothing too substantial. I have been told that, and actually checked it as well, that on other exchanges, this long wick wasn't present. However, on Coinbase, apparently it was. Well, I just checked it on Binance. It pretty much hit that 61.8 retracement. So, yeah, I will disregard it to a certain degree this week, but it's still a low that was made. Yeah, so we have 5 waves down. For example, on the Binance chart, let's just open that. You can see that as well. It did come down to 22,900. Yeah, 900. Made a new low. Yeah, we have 5 waves down here. That's a possible 5 wave down at least. But we haven't really seen any impulsive reaction since then. It looks rather like we're going to get one more low here on Binance at least. Yeah, we need to see it. It apparently reached sort of here, the area just above the 61.8 as it seems on Binance. We'll see. It is still in the support area and it currently shows a little bit of a reaction, yes, but we haven't really left the support area, and so far the reaction is also not overwhelmingly bullish. Yeah, it's rather, it's just rather weak and consolidating sideways. Let's see how this is going to play out. Just wanted to emphasize again the different scenarios we're looking at here, very similar to Ethereum. We do have a 5-wave move up, possibly complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 since November when it started. Okay, I think I did understand a question that came in the comments like that. I'm not sure if I misunderstood. I was just reading it while I was outside actually with the dogs. But I think the question was, is all of this a WXYXZ pattern? No, this is a clear impulse. Wave 1 was a diagonal, yes, but the wave 3 is a clear impulse and not a 3-wave move. And the wave 5 could be interpreted as 3 waves, yes. Therefore, the possibility still exists that we push higher here, yeah. But this is something. But the entire move, you can count it as an entire impulse. And WXYXZ patterns don't really occur, yeah. Anybody who puts them into the charts regularly, in my opinion, disregards that they actually are quite rare, and it is in most cases something different. WXYXZ patterns are extremely rare. They're a little bit like a unicorn. You don't see them typically, okay? Typically. Okay, so 5 waves up. Okay, so this could be finished. We have, you can see that 5 waves are possibly complete. It's only the alternative at this stage. Why is that the case? It is the case because the wave 5 here, the last wave of this impulse, was quite anemic, quite weak, okay? So it reached minimum expectations, but not the ideal targets. That would have been 26.7K or even higher. So I'm still open to the idea we could give it another go to the upside. Okay, so at the moment, the present scenario in which we are, in my opinion, is this 1-2 setup. Now, personally, I wouldn't be surprised if this support area breaks. I don't have too much confidence in a 1-2 setup idea. Just purely from the point of view that because the wave 3 in this impulse was extended, typically the wave 5 doesn't get extended as well. But it could be, okay? So we have, it's still the primary because it is currently the one that the market puts into the advantage because we came down into the support area, hold support for now. But let's see, we can even drop a bit lower. I mean, Bitcoin could drop to 22,184 in this particular scenario and still rally in the 3rd wave, yeah? Below that level, it will be less likely that this is a 1-2 setup and something else will become more likely, which would be that then this will become probably primary, that wave 1 finished, and that we are heading down, here in an A, B, C structure into the wave 2. Bear in mind, the wave A will most likely react to the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, which is at 21,521. So that means if we drop below 22,184, we have a good chance to come down to 21,521, plus minus a few dollars, yeah, depending on which exchange. and probably find support there, either here, yeah, or maybe even at 20,364. This is sort of the area for an A wave. And if we can foresee that we are going to do this, that the yellow support area breaks, I will give you an extra support area for the A wave to trade the B wave. Which I wouldn't do aggressively, because trading a B wave is always, sort of risky. Yeah, they are fairly unpredictable. There is one more scenario I'm observing. Okay, so these are the two main scenarios. There is a third one I'm observing. I'm only going to add it now here to the video, just, if you're already tired or whatever, switch off. And this would blow your mind. Oh, but it can be confusing. Okay, so let me explain that. The other scenario I'm observing is that we never finished the fourth wave. Okay. Why is that the case? So the possibility here is that Bitcoin never finished the fourth wave because it missed our target area at the time by whatever, $30. Okay, that annoyed me at the time. Ethereum did reach it. Bitcoin didn't. Turned around, rallied without real structure, which I indicated at the time that this could break down easily again, because it doesn't have the real structure. Remember, we were waiting here for a 1-2 setup down there, didn't come. That's these are the two reasons why I'm considering this. So what does that mean? It could be that this wave 4 was never finished, that this was only an A wave. It's, by the way, an option that we consider for some altcoins as well. Remember, this here was a B wave, and we're now coming down impulsively in a C wave. Now, this is a flat pattern, so you can either get a C wave as a running flat, or an expanded flat, which will go below the wave A. Yeah, that's the problem with these overshooting B waves. And in a running flat situation where the C wave will end above the A wave, this is where it's getting interesting. Because in this scenario, we've basically nearly reached the 1-to-1 ratio, which is an ideal target, yeah, which is here at 22,370. Let me just double check that. Yep, and then to the low. Yep, so that would be an ideal target, 22,003. But then this is basically in the yellow support area. So if it finds support here, there is no difference from a running flat situation in the very short term to the 1-2 setup, really. Okay, so that's why I don't emphasize it too much. And if we get an expanded flat, which would end below the A wave, then we are ending in this area here anyway, most likely. So from that point of view, it's something to know about, maybe, yeah, worth knowing about, but I would not promote it too much, because it will only confuse, and it doesn't really make a great difference in terms of the count. If I, however, see that this is likelier, or getting more likely, I will emphasize it a bit more. At the moment, it's something just to know about. I will probably mention it from time to time. But yeah, that's sort of where we are currently with Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.